How to unmute story on Instagram. Now let's say you want to mute a story. All you have to do is to click on that story personally and click on these three dots on the upper corner. Now we just have to tap on mute button right here and mute the story. Now in order for you to see the muted story that you have, you just have to click on your profile icon and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now once we're here, we just have to scroll down and find muted accounts. And now you'll be able to see the accounts that you have muted on your Instagram. Now in order for you to unmute them, just simply click on this unmute button right here and unmute them to their stories. You can also see on what aspect or what part of Instagram you have muted them. So you just have to unmute them on that part of Instagram or that aspect of Instagram, and then you're good to go. You will be able to see their story again. There. So that's how to unmute story on Instagram.